When we talk about festivals, we have also seen a lot of people who say how difficult it is for them to get their films to festival because it involves a lot of money.
Yeah.
Tell me how it works and how can it be simplified or help filmmakers to take their films to festivals,
It actually starts with going to a festival. ये यहाँ पर इंडिया में बैठकर करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. It actually, of course, submissions happen. Of course, you can submit and also get discovered. That's also happened. But because every festival is so overwhelmed, it's actually good to travel, to meet the programmers, to be able to say the programmers are doing a job of, they actually want to discover you. They actually want to meet you. It's part of their jobs. It's part of our job. And as a producer, to seek out which is the right festival, where this should open, who are the programmers, how can I meet them, can I write an email, can I set up a meeting, and where can I meet them? The whole world comes to Cannes. In fact, a decade I have only gone to NFDC's Film Bazaar. And at Film Bazaar, all the programmers interested in looking at Indian cinema have come there. And I've met everybody there. How one can go to Goa, one can participate and own the film festival that happens in Goa and Film Bazaar, meet the programmers. And once you start building a relationship with them, they also mentor you. They also nurture you. They also give you notes on your film. And there is space and time to ask that. There are programs, there are labs, like finishing labs or post-production lab. There's a lab that runs at NFDC, where finishing films are there and programmers are watching it. To the point when you build that relationship, you can also ask, which festival should I take this to? If you don't have that knowledge base. And that's how I've built that. Nobody taught me. Nobody opened the door. It's just being there. I've lived in Paris couch surfed for a whole month to discover that Cannes had Directors Fortnight and Critics Week as parallel submission mechanisms and parallel festivals that were happening within the parallel sections. And that's how I took Gangs of Wasseypur to Directors Fortnight and Peddlers to Critics Week. And that's just knowledge, and that's just being there, understanding the lay of the land and being able to submit.
So basically you have to go on field and find out.
You have to, this is the role of a producer. It's job of a producer. The fact that every director turns into a producer, it's also, there's only that much one can do. You have to make a good film. But then you also have to have a producer that's championing your good film from day one. And that work starts day one. It doesn't start when you lock your edit. We overthink the process. अभी किसी को दिखाएं, अभी उसको समझ नहीं आएगी, अभी sound नहीं हुआ, अभी ये नहीं हुआ. It's सबको समझ आता है. We're all in the business. We're all seeing rough cuts. We're all, and the programmers are seeing 10x of us. They see 10,000 films to select their 20 films. And to be a part of that is not, it's not art house. It's being the best in the world.
Yeah.
And it's having, and then that leads into awards. That leads into the Oscars. There is a pathway to it.
Yeah.
And understanding that is producing. And understanding that is a path to, especially independent films, that you have to break out to be, you're doing something new, you're doing something experimental, you're doing something with new actors, with first-time directors. So you're almost, how do you even shine in the lot of 1,000 films? Is when you go to a festival, you win an award, you hopefully shine there. And there are separate sections for first and second-time directors. So it's a lot of mentoring, nurturing, and curiosity.